Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some must-have accessories for your Cybertruck. This particular is going to be a carbon fiber arm rest by the company evbase.com, always linked in the top link in the description box below this video. I've had it installed for many days now. Absolutely love it for protection for my center console. It looks absolutely fantastic. And good news as we get into the video, evbase is hooking you guys up if you want anything on their website, not to mention any other products for their other vehicles they offer or the Cybertruck, 20% off. Use my direct link in the description box below as well as my promo coupon code. Make sure you use that, get your 20% off. Now, let's jump into the video.
Absolutely fantastic news today, ladies and gentlemen. My new Cybertruck center console carbon fiber cover has come from evbase.com. Came very nicely packaged. It is a very, obviously, kind of a smaller product, but they did a great job. I've already looked at it. I've already taken it out of the box, and the box was actually bubble wrap, so loving that they take care of their products. All right, let's go ahead and show you this. And ladies and gentlemen, ooh la la on that carbon fiber, super light, of course, and that is going to protect. Now, I got it in the matte. They do have a shiny one as well, but I got it in the matte color carbon fiber, meaning that there's just not so much of a sheen to it. I personally like that. As we can see, the carbon fiber, we got a little bit of window light coming in on it, looking absolutely beautiful. So we have a nice little rounded beveled edge to it on all sides. Let me turn on the light here. There we can see the carbon fiber look a lot cleaner with that beveled edge here. Now, flipping it over, we will have our double-sided sticky tape to secure it down. But even if you are a little concerned about the double-sided tape, and you potentially want to take this into your new model when you upgrade in 2 or 3 years, whatever you want to do, then to each to their own. If you want to latch it in, but I will let you know how it does without latching it in. And I have a Labradoodle, and I have just a towel over my center console because I don't want her to scratch it. So with this, a lot more durable than the stock center console on my 2025 Cybertruck. Let's go ahead and put this on in and see what we got. Alrighty, folks, let's take a look at the center console carbon fiber piece that I've had in the car for about 3 days now. And let me talk you through it, that I literally can remove this and it's secure enough for my standards. So as you can see here, easiest way to install it, you're gonna have a little lip here at the very top, and then there's some kind of some prints out there. This side right here is a little bit more cleaner, I guess you could say, on the bottom. And then the top has just this slight little lip. The lip is going to be in the front. So again, I've had this on for about 3 days now. There's no damage underneath at all. And again, with that lip on the front, if you were going to have it a little bit more secure, then you would have obviously the double-sided tape ready to latch into place. That little lip kind of ends on the top portion of the front. I'm not going to be worried like I would be with this one underneath that again has that kind of cushion to it, which her paws could rip that center console up. I've had my arm on this again 3 days now, setting my coffee on top right here. And of course you have complete access to your bottom center console. And so again, if you are not going to be using the double-sided tape, so what you do is just make sure you lift this up, make sure it's flush against this area here. Absolutely fantastic. And it literally, what I did, I just kind of set it on top, lifted this up a little bit, kind of slipped it back into place right here on the lip edge right here. And I'm going to go ahead and turn on the light here as the daylight is kind of fading on us here. And again, even without the double-sided tape, there's no movement to it as long as you lip it in to place right on top of your old one. I'm just going to call it the old one, or the stock one, I should say. I mean, the smallest little movement in the back. But again, if you're a little bit worried about that and you want that fully just taped down to that back area there, then use your tape. But in all honesty, that is really firm in my personal opinion. I don't think you're going to care about a very slight little movement like that. Now, if you get the back piece as well, the company sells the back piece, so make sure that if you want to match it, get the front and the back. I'll be getting the back piece next, but look at how it curves over the edge. If you butt up against that with your watch, your band, your dog scratches it. The first week I had my Cybertruck, my dog literally walked over the top of the center console, and I was like, ah! But Looking absolutely fantastic. Once again, lifts up. You got full access to your center console, lipping around just beautifully all the way around the bottom, as we can see here on the edges. And that's a really good center console piece. Not even wiggle wobbling on me. Let's go ahead and lift it all the way up, all the way down. Yeah, that's really nice. Just make sure you flush it up against the front edges on both sides here and here. And that is a big thumbs up in my personal opinion. Again, EV Base has a ton of different Cybertruck as well as other Tesla accessories. I'm going to be getting my hands on some more accessories. Like I mentioned, this back piece right here. I'm also going to be getting a screen protector as well. They also do sell some really cool accessories to protect your truck.
Well, thank you again to EV Base for sending out that product. It's a solid product, and I'm looking forward to getting my hands on more products from evbase.com. Again, if you want 20% off, use my direct link in the description box right below this video, as well as promo code, coupon code. Use that, get your 20% off anything on their website, including this carbon fiber armrest. I'm going to be getting more products from EV Base to review, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you thumbs this video up on your way out. Subscribe for more videos like this for your Cybertruck and other Tesla products. My name's Chris. I will see you on the next video. Once again, your links are below, as well as the pinned comment. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.